What happens when interest rates decrease? Let's first understand what interest means so then we can relate it to what happens when it decreases. Interest rate is the cost of borrowing money. It's the rent you pay on the money borrowed from the bank. If you borrow £100 and the interest rate is 10%, you pay back £110. That extra £10 is interest you have paid the bank for borrowing their money. The interest rate is set mainly by the Bank of England in the UK. When you take out a loan, mortgage, or use a credit card, the interest rate is the fee you pay for using the lender's money. You can also earn interest. When you deposit money into a bank, the interest rate is the reward paid to you for allowing the bank to use your money. Now that we know what interest rate is, let's look into what happens when interest decreases. The first and very important one is that the loans become more cheaper. Did you know that over 84% of adults in the UK had some sort of loan or credit in 2024? So the loans become cheaper. If interest rates fall, borrowing costs less. Businesses can invest more easily. Monthly repayments are lower. Profits might increase. This encourages expansion and growth because you are confident that you can pay the bank back as the interest rate is low and you're not having to pay huge amounts of interest on the money you have borrowed. Customers spend more. When interest rates fall, mortgage payments are lower. If you are paying £100,000 a month for your mortgage and interest rate decreased by 10%, you will now pay £900. So you now have extra £100 to buy clothes, pizza, or some new shoes. Loans are cheaper. Consumers have more disposable income. This increases demand for goods and services. Higher demand means more customers want to buy a business's product or services. When more people are buying, the business sells more items. If the business sells more products, it receives more money. More business confidence. Lower interest rates often increase business confidence. Borrowing becomes cheaper, so businesses can take loans more easily. Businesses feel safer taking risks because they know that they are not having to pay dramatic amounts of interest on the money they have borrowed from the bank. Businesses invest more, such as buying equipment or expanding. More jobs might be created as businesses expand. Economic growth because more money is being spent in the economy. Consumer spending increases, which boosts business sales. So it's a chain reaction. Lower interest rate can have many benefits. Thank you for watching, and I will see you on next video.